All right, guys, if you are getting chicks this spring and you're not able to put them outside because it's too cold, this is a really great choice for an indoor breeder. So this one is going to hold quite a few. I would say probably 10 to 15, maybe even 20 of your baby chicks, at least in maybe they're about 2 months old. But this one actually came with some extra stuff. So let me switch the view and show you everything that's inside. So this one is a 6-sided. It actually has 3 of these windows. Now these things tie up, or you can let them down to keep it darker inside at night when you want them to go to sleep, all the way around. And then the top has a zipper mesh window here that you can leave it open. I mean, right now they're too small to fly out, but as they get bigger, of course, you'd want to keep that. But this is where I have the cord for the heater. But this actually came with the heater and with the food tray and the water dispenser. So this came with everything except the shavings and the chickens, of course. And so this is just a really great setup for beginners. So if you're just getting started and you're not sure of everything you're supposed to have, you've got your heater covered, you've got your food and water covered, and then you've got the enclosure to keep them in. Just put some of those shavings down in it. You can see these all the way aside. And here is, again, one of these window flaps. So you can open this up to give more airflow and then just roll it up and tie it. You could actually take these outside when you're ready to start introducing your babies to the outside world. Just pick this up, carry it out, and you're good to go.